It's such a pain to close my eyes.